Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to monitor a service through PowerShell. Okay, for this particular demo, we will consider print spooler service. So if you can see, we have service name as a spooler and display name is print spooler. So we will take service name. Okay, I will copy this. Let's create one variable dollar service name equals to spooler. And the command to get the service status is get hyphen service hyphen name and the variable name, that is service name. Because I mentioned spooler in this variable, that's why I'm using variable in the command. Okay, let's execute this. So here it is showing me the service status. So it is showing me status is running. So let's create one more variable in line number 5, dollar service data equals to get hyphen service hyphen name and the service name. Okay, so save it. Now when I execute this command, when I execute this script, it will not show me any output because all the output will get stored in this particular variable. Okay, so I'm executing it. There is no output, but data is available in this variable. So let's execute the selection. It is showing me the data. That means data is available in this variable. Now let's create a condition. So the condition is if service is not running, then start the service, else no action is required. Okay, so let's type if this particular data, that is dollar service data dot status is not equals to running, then execute this code block, else execute this code block. Okay, so that means if this statement is true, that means if service is not in running state, then execute this code block, else no action required. So here I'll mention right host service is in running state, hence no action required. Foreground color green. And here just mention right host. Right host means it will show us the message on screen. Service is not running. Foreground color red. Okay, let's execute this script. So the expected output is service is in running state, service is in running state, hence no action required. Execute. It says service is in running state, hence no action required. That means it is executing this code block and not this one. Okay, now let's stop this service. Now service is stopped. Now the expected output is service is not running. Clear the screen and execute. Now it says service is not running. So in our case, if service is not running, then we have to start that service. So we have to add start service command in this particular block, and the command is start service name service name $service name. Okay, so it will start the service. Okay, let's see. Currently service is in stop state. I'm executing it. Done. If we can see this, now the service is in running state. Okay, now our script is ready. So to monitor any particular service, we can create a schedule task. Okay, recursive schedule task, and we can replace this name with the desired name. That's it. Thank you guys.